Good morning, everybody. Today I'm working on my wife's dryer. She has a Whirlpool, and the complaint is that the light doesn't come on, which is back there. Doesn't come on when you open the door, and the drum does not stop turning when you open the door. I'll show you. We'll turn it on. See, it doesn't stop turning. Problem is right here, switch is broke. So we'll turn this off and we will fix this problem. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this lint tray out. This dryer is getting close to its end of its life, but we're going to keep it going as long as we can. You got to take these two screws out right here. Just try not to drop them down into the hole. That screwdriver is probably just a little bit too small, but it's all I brought with me. Because I know the screws on that switch are kind of small. So you just need those, take those two out. Come up here to the front, just pop this up, break that loose on both sides, like that, and lift it up. Inside of here should be a wire. I haven't even looked at this. Boy, this is dusty. Woo. This dryer hasn't been worked on in a while. It's been really reliable. So let me see if I can, I got a shelf right here that it hits on. So see if I can get in here. Here's the connector for it, and those two tabs right there, you just need to push them. I don't know if I could do this with one hand or not. Let's see if I can set this up. Push in on this tab right here, this side and this side, or you could just get a screwdriver in between here and just kind of pop it loose. It just catches in there to hold it in like that. And once you have that done, you come down here on this switch, and there's two little screws. There's one. Sorry if I'm all over the place with this camera. I'm not used to working with one hand. Normally when I record stuff, I have it set up. Okay, here's the door switch. I'll leave a link in the description of the video. We'll open that up. And from the inside, we'll just drop it through the hole, like that. And then we'll put a screw in it. And we'll just tighten these up. There we go. Let's come back up here. Just snap into place. It only goes in one direction, so you can't mess it up. There we go. And just drop this back down and push it down. Okay. Then you take your 2 screws that you took out from here and put these back in. These dryers get so full of lint, it gets everywhere. Especially whenever you don't have to work on it very often. This has been a very reliable dryer. Put that back in. Clean this off a little bit. Shut the door. Turn it on. And we'll try it out and see if it stops. How about that? Light working and the light's working. All right, that'll do it. Quick and easy fix for Whirlpool. It's a lot of different brands. This switch is pretty universal. It was like $6 for the switch, and it's an easy fix. So anyway, thanks for watching.